Hello guys, so I just got this air fryer from JUMIA, Silver Crest air fryer, and it's written here 8-liter capacity. And look at the specs: rated power to 400 watts, voltage to 20 volts. So let's quickly unbox this air fryer and see what is inside. I saw a lot of good reviews on this air fryer, and guess what, the price is really affordable. I got this for JUMIA flash sale for 29,999. So basically I got it for 30,000 naira. So let's quickly see what we have here. This is the manual, as you can see. Protection. Oh my god, this is really big. Like, oh my god, this is huge. And to think that I saw some people complaining about the sizing, saying it's small, it's not as big as this fryer. I mean, how big are you expecting this to be? I mean, this is 8 liters and it's massive. Sorry, pardon my clumsiness. I'm the one recording the video myself, and yeah. So this is it. Is this not massive? I mean, how big can an air fryer be? So guys, it came with a UK plug, and we know in Nigeria a lot of our switches are in UK plug, so this is really beneficial. And when you look at the top over here, you can see the menus. This is pizza, I think. This is chips, that's fries. This is chicken. This is nuts, and so on. There are different temperature writings and timer writings here. And look at it. It's not on, but look at it. You can see the digital sign. And let me open the basket so we can see what's inside. How the inside looks. Oh my god, this is big. Like, this is big. I mean, this is family size air fryer. This is really big. This is really big, guys. So we have the basket. This is the basket for the air fryer, and it has a non-stick coating actually. So that's basically it. And in case you want to see the interior, I mean, look at it. It's like an oven. Look at the ring. And in my next video, I'm going to show you guys my testing, how I test it. So before I go, I just thought of at least let me just plug it, even though I'm not using it. I'm also curious to see if it's working. Yes, this is it, guys. This is my air fryer. So let's see. So we can see the menus are up, and it has no noise. Chips, meat, warm. This is the temperature. This is the timer, and over here we have nuts, pizza, and yeah, timing. So this is it. The default temperature settings here is 00. You have to customize what you want. So let's press chips and see. Okay, 040. It started working. Guys. 180 degrees centigrade. So it's working. I'm really happy. Thanks to JUMIA. I'm really happy. This is one of the best investments I've done for myself as a 9-to-5 worker. I'm really happy. So let's stop this since we're not finding anything. Thank you. See you in my next video. Thank you. Bye.